My first question is 2 tens plus 5 ones plus 3 tens plus 1 ones.
I don't know.
Even I don't know. Hello everyone, welcome to a fresh video of Licious Answers. The Licious host will answer all my questions and make me yummy food.
Well, that's what we're going to do, guys. I'm your obedient host of the day, and this is...
Question master of the day, Ashmi. I just came back from playing downstairs.
Okay.
And I'm craving for a snack, which is my most favorite snack.
Chips?
No.
Cookies?
No.
Chicken popcorn?
No.
Chicken supreme?
Yes. Miaa, your next task is to make me yummy chicken wings.
Okay, I will make you some yummy, tasty, juicy, crispy chicken wings in just 8 minutes.
Yes. When does the duck wake up? The quack of dawn.
Okay, so I am going to make you licious, ready to cook crispy chicken wings. So now we're going to make these very yummy crispy chicken wings.
Wow, here you go.
Thank you. Alright, I'm going to fry them till they are really nice and crispy and golden brown. Are you excited?
Yes.
Wow, can you see how many bubbles?
Yeah, that's really cool.
When you grow up, do you want to cook?
Yes. Where does the sheep go for vacation?
Where does the sheep go for vacation? To Shipland.
No.
Where?
To Bahamas.
Now I'm going to cook 4 minutes on each side, and when they're finally up here, you'll see how beautifully golden and crispy they are. Okay, what are we going to eat this with?
What about herb and mayonnaise mix?
Wow, a dip?
Yes.
Okay, let's do that then. Do you want to make it?
Yeah, I'll...
Alright, you're such a chef already. Fantastic. And maybe you can add some of the herb now?
Yeah, that's a great idea.
Perfect timing, because my wings have also become so nice and golden. I'm just going to let it be for a little more time. Is this going to be your favorite dip? Are you going to tell all your friends that you made this dip?
Yes, of course.
Wow. Okay, I think our wings are like superb golden now. See? Do you like them?
Yes.
Aren't they so nice and golden?
Yes, they are. They're going to taste so good with this dip.
Yeah, they are. Time to taste. Okay, do you want to take a bite? Let's both take a bite. Cheers! Mmm.
This tastes really good.
Mmm, God.
You're a really good chef. 10 on 10.
Thank you. It was so wonderful cooking with you. Herb dip. Okay, I think we are done here. Let's go. Bye-bye.
No, Miaa, we're not done here. I have more questions to ask.
More questions? Okay, what's your question now?
Miaa, I
Yeah.
don't like Dal Chawal alone. Can you tell me a way to make it interesting?
Yes, of course I can. Okay, so you know what we'll do? We'll fry some ready to cook crispy prawns. Whenever I am bored of dal chawal, no, I fry these crispy prawns and I just take it out of the pack and put it in the pan, and in 8 minutes my meal becomes awesome. So let's get it done.
Wow, I want my meal awesome too.
Great. Okay, so let's fry them now. Let's see if our hot oil is hot. Yeah, they're hot. And when you're going to put it, be very careful. You can already smell it, so nice. Okay, I need a spatula.
Here you go.
Thank you. Ooh, they're already so golden. So we're going to fry them 4 minutes on each side, and as soon as they are golden brown, we're going to take it out on this nice sorting paper, and then we can enjoy our dal chawal with it.
Wow.
Okay, it's almost done. You know what my favorite dip with these crispy prawns are?
What?
I like the mustard. So nice and tangy. What would you like with it?
But mine is the mayonnaise.
Yeah. Okay, I think they're almost done. I'm taking them out on this plate. Wow, it's so nice. I'm so happy with these. Do you like them?
Yes, I do like them. Why did the cookie go to the hospital? Because it felt crummy.
Okay, our crispy prawns are ready and let's eat them.
Okay, let me just get the dips ready.
Yes, sure, you can get the dips ready. How many do you want?
Maybe I want 3.
Okay, alright, great. Let's eat now.
Yes.
Cheers! Yummy.
That's great.
It is. So now,
This is also 10 on 10.
oh, thank you so much. Are you going to tell Mama to make them when you come back from school and want to eat dal chawal?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, we both had amazing fun doing this and hope you like this video. And if you like it, do not forget to comment, like and subscribe to our video. You know what to do.
Question Master signing off.
Bye-bye.
Bye.